Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya. So we are here today for a Nykaa haul. So I have got some things for Nykaa for this festive season. So I thought it is Diwali and I should get some more of makeup because as usual I don't have enough makeup. So what we have here is this huge dabba of Nykaa which has all the products that I have ordered. As usual, I have already opened this dabba and checked if everything is correct. So this dabba was filled with bubble wraps and everything, and the amount is quite less, I would not lie, but it's okay. uh, that is how Nykaa rolls. I would like to put a disclaimer here that I have bought a hell lot of foundations. When I say hell lot of foundations, it means hell lot of foundations because I wanted to test new brands. I've been thinking of doing a one brand tutorial on YouTube. So if that is something that you would like to see, comment down and let me know that you want it and I'll do that for you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the Nykaa haul. So the first thing that I got is Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick, and the shade I got is 37 Fredo. So it comes like that. The packaging is pretty chic, and obviously I have never tried Sugar products, but I do like the sleek packaging of Sugar. So this is a stick foundation. I wanted a stick foundation for myself from so long, and that too from Sugar, but the shade that we have is Fredo, that is what it is called. It is Fredo, and I'm sorry to say, but this is how it looks. I don't know if you're able to see this, but I have made a terrible shade match. I'm sorry, but I couldn't get it online. I was not sure what my shade is. This shade looked pretty similar to what is mine. I have lost the cap because clumsy AF. So this is what Fredo looks like. Here is a swatch of Fredo. I don't think it matches me. Hell no, it doesn't match me. But I'll make it work. I know I'll make it work somehow because I have bought it. So the next thing here is from Maybelline. I've got a compact from Maybelline. Pretty basic because I didn't have a lot of compact and I wanted to try Maybelline compact as they are super affordable. So the one I got here is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light Ivory. This is what it looks like. Oops, I'm sorry. So this is what it looks like. It is a pretty basic compact, nothing major happening over here, so I don't think we need to talk about that. So the next thing here is Matrix Smooth Straight Ultimate Conditioner. So I have bought a pack of a shampoo and conditioner, but the shampoo is not yet here and I wanted to film it, so I thought will include it in the video, and I'll let you know. If you want to know the review of both of them, just ping me on Instagram or somewhere, or just leave a comment on YouTube and I'll review it on Instagram. So let's see how that works. I don't have too much of hopes, but let's see how that works. So the next thing which I have with me, I'm super excited about that because I have seen many people rave about it and I have never tried it. So it is the Lakme Absolute Primer Blur Perfect Primer. I was eyeing on this product for so long, but somehow, I don't know why, but somehow I didn't get it any time. But I'm thankful that I got it this time. So this is how it looks, and it has a pretty, I have used it today for my base, and I can say that it is pretty mattifying primer, and it has a little bit of a pink tint, so that helps you to give your face a fresher looking appearance, and I just love that. So yay from my side for this. So the next thing that I have with me is Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. This is how it looks like. So I am pretty happy with this product. I don't have much of hopes because I don't know if I have done a great job with the shade match. The shade is W240 Warm Beige. You can see it here. I would put a name somewhere here so that you don't, if you want to know which shade I am. So it comes with a spatula, pretty basic, nothing fancy. I'll swatch it next to the Sugar foundation. I think this will match me. Maybe this can be a bit light for me, but I can manage that. Just a minute. My swatches always suck. I have it, trust me guys. So this is how the Lakme one looks like. I know it might be a bit light for me, but it's okay. I have pretty dark foundations because as usual I never get my shade match correctly online. So this is warm beige, this is warm beige, this is how it looks like. The formulation pretty, like, seems pretty good. Let's see, let's try and see. Actually I'm going to create a one brand tutorial look with Lakme. That is the reason you might see a lot of Lakme and sugar products here. So the next thing that I have is Lakme 925 Pure Rouge Blusher. So this is in the shade Pretty Pink. Okay, this is in the shade Pretty Pink. I have used Lakme's blushers already, so I know that the pigmentation is bomb, and I have no complaints with them with the price point that they are providing. The pigment, oh, just look at the pigmentation. I just can't. Lakme blushes have my heart. I'll swatch it over here. You can see it. Oh my god, it is so pigmented. You can use it as an eyeshadow. You can use it as a blusher. Perfect. So I don't have anything to say about it because it speaks for itself. So the next thing that we have is a compact again, but this is from Sugar. So as I told about the one brand tutorial, that is the reason, too much of Sugar products. The packaging is pretty good. It feels sturdy. It doesn't feel clumsy. The shade that I have is Cappuccino, 15 Cappuccino, and I think that this shade will match me pretty good. So I have not used it yet, but I am excited to see how this one goes. Let's see. Fingers crossed, because I know that Sugar products are good, so it might not be a problem for me, but still, let's see how it goes. So the next product is also from Sugar. So it is a blusher from Sugar, a mini blusher. The shade is Coral Climax. Oh my god, when I had a look, oh my god, this looked freaking good. Look at this. I will just swatch it next to the Lakme blusher. Oh my, the pigmentation. I love blushes. I am totally a blush person, so this just makes me happy. This just makes my heart go, because it makes me super happy. The next thing I bought is a repurchase, to be very frank. I already had this. It is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I have a different shade. Just let me check which shade I have. The shade I had earlier is 310 Sun Beige, and the shade I bought now is 220 Natural Beige. So I think that that one was matching me perfectly, but as everyone knows that Maybelline products, like Maybelline foundation, do oxidize, so it used to make me a tad bit of tan, but I used to make it work because that's me. I won't waste my products, but I think that this one will suit me pretty well, and this is a very good full coverage foundation. If anyone is looking for a very full coverage foundation, you can go with this anytime. This is how the 220 Natural Beige looks like, and it is a perfect shade match for me. I know that I will rock it. The next thing is pretty basic foundation again, because this whole haul is all about foundation. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have Maybelline Fit Me with me, but this time I have a different shade, because as usual online I couldn't match my shade. The shade is, I'm sorry, where is the shade? Oh my god, I'm not able to get the shade. Just give me a minute. Okay, the shade is here. The shade is 238 Rich Tan. This is also a very good foundation for beginners. Light to medium coverage, nothing fancy, matte foundation. Not so good for dry skin people, but for oily skin, this foundation is pretty good. It has a little bit of a yellow undertone. So this is 238 Rich Tan. It looks good, and I know that it will match me pretty perfectly. The next thing that I have with me is a Garnier Micellar Water. Okay, so one thing about me, I can never have enough of micellar waters and lip balms. So like, if you come to my home, all that you can see is a micellar water or a lip balm, because I'm addicted to micellar waters and lip. Okay, so it is a sugar concealer. It is a Sugar Magic Wand waterproof concealer. I was so excited about this purchase. I am telling you, this is the only product I was looking forward to. Like, I know this would be bomb. And this is in the shade Vanilla Latte. It looks like this. The outer packaging looks like this. Basic sugar packaging, nothing so major. And the shade is Vanilla Latte. I know the shade is too light for me. I am not this shade, but I got it for cut crease and my eye base, because I needed a light color for cut crease. It shows up pretty well. I will swatch this concealer for you once and you'll know that this is not my shade. This is not at all my shade, but I just got it for my eye base. So it is okay. I have 10 different concealers already, so I don't have to worry about the concealer. This is what Vanilla Latte looks like. Consistency wise, it is pretty thick. I love it. To be very frank, I have just swatched it once on my cheeks to see how it looks on my skin tone. I would say that if I match this and the Sugar foundation, I think I can make a good shade match for myself. I am not sure about this. I can try this in the one brand tutorial video and see if that works. I think it will work. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see how that goes. If anyone wants any review of a particular product, you can just DM me and I'll help you. Trust me, I am helpful like that. I'll surely help you if you want any review. The next thing is Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. Do you see it? Okay. About sugar mascaras, I have heard a lot about sugar mascaras, that they are very good and everything. I wanted to try it, so that is the reason I got this is how it looks. Basic sugar packaging, nothing fancy over here. But one thing I would like to say, look at the wand. Okay, I don't know if you guys are able to see. Look at the wand. It is so good. I am pretty sure that it will be it is a lengthening mascara, so it will separate my lashes and give them a very wow, like a voluminous lengthy look. Excited about this one is all I can say. The next thing I have with me is a matte as hell lip crayon in Baby Houseman. So I'll show you this. I got it for a friend for Diwali. I wanted to gift it to someone, so I got it, but I'll still show you. This is the shade Baby Houseman. Baby Houseman looks like. It is a pretty good pink color. I want to gift it to someone. That is the reason I'm not swatching it, but it looks pretty promising to me. So, and the last one, I have just a last one to show you. This is the Maybelline Powder Matte in the shade Make Me Blush. I want to gift it to someone. I want to gift it to someone. That is the reason I'm not swatching it. But look at the color. Oh my god, the color looks so good, so good. Powder mattes are my favorite. I have a lot of them. I know that the formulation is good and it's on your lips for a very long time, and it doesn't transfer much. I'm happy with the formulation of powder matte and I have a lot of them. So I got this for Diwali for a friend of mine, Make Me Blush. So this is the last product from the haul. Do we have anything? No. Dabba is khali. So that's it for my Nykaa haul. If you like it, if you like such videos, if you like to see what I get from Nykaa or any other website, just let me know. I'll surely show you. I would like to show you. It's not flaunting or something, but I'll surely like to share what I have and my reviews about it. So that's it for today. If you like my video, if you like to see this face, just click on the like button, comment, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on so that you get notified every time I get online. If you have any requests about your makeup look, if you want me to create some particular makeup look, you can ping me on DM and I'll surely do that for you. So until next time, bye bye, love you.